So we are going to discuss about the leishmaniasis. Leishmaniasis is caused by leishmania. Okay, it is a protozoa. Which is intracellular, unicellular, eukaryotic, and obligatory. So it is an obligatory intracellular protozoa which is unicellular. Okay. So genus Leishmania, order Kinetoplastida, and family Trypanosomatidae. Okay, the disease caused by leishmania is called leishmaniasis. This leishmaniasis primarily affects the host reticuloendothelial system. Okay, and the leishmaniasis can range from self-healing cutaneous ulcers to fatal visceral leishmaniasis. Okay, leishmaniasis are mainly of three types: visceral leishmaniasis, cutaneous leishmaniasis, and mucosal leishmaniasis. Visceral leishmaniasis, cutaneous leishmaniasis, and mucosal leishmaniasis. Okay, it is a vector-borne disease. So a vector, that is sandfly is involved in the transmission of leishmania. Phlebotomine sandfly, specifically phlebotomine sandfly is involved in the transmission of leishmania. But in old, that is in Asia, Africa, and Europe, phlebotomous is involved for the transmission. Whereas in the new world, that is Americas, Lutzomia is involved in the transmission. Okay. The leishmaniasis can be both anthroponotic as well as zoonotic. Okay. Anthroponotic means it is transmitted from human to sandfly and back to human. It is anthroponotic. Okay. Zoonotic means it is transmitted via animal to sandfly to human. Okay. But human to human transmission is rare. However, it has been documented in IV drug users in the Mediterranean region. And in utero transmission is also rare. So, what are the modes of transmission of leishmania? Modes of transmission of leishmania is via the bite of female phlebotomine sandfly. Second is via the contamination of bite wounds. Third is by contact or crossing of insects. Okay, crossing of insects while feeding. And fourth is via the blood transfusion. Different types of phlebotomas are involved in the transmission of the different types of leishmania. Okay, visceral leishmaniasis is transmitted by phlebotomus argentipus. Cutaneous leishmaniasis is transmitted by phlebotomus papataci, and mucosal leishmaniasis is transmitted by phlebotomus sargenti. And the sandfly is mostly found in the cracks and the surfaces of the wall. Okay, tree holes and keeps.